Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Minecraft April Fool's update. With Server.pro, it's super simple to get the latest snapshots on your server. For that reason, simply head over to Server.pro and into your server. If you have an existing service, you just have to open it up and head to configuration. Before making any changes on an existing server though, we recommend creating a backup. However, I'm going to go ahead and create a new service, and then in the type section, select vanilla snapshot. Under version, it should be the latest one that comes up saying craft mine. If you're seeing this after a new snapshot has come out though, just press the version tab and find this version number and name. Now that's all done, you just press create a service and wait for the service generation to complete. After a while that will be done, and to join the server you just have to press to copy the hostname at the top here. Now open up the Minecraft launcher, then on the bottom left press the latest snapshot button there. Press play and wait for the game to load up. When you open it up, you'll be able to tell it's the snapshot because you can see this matrix looking background. Now press multiplayer, add server, and then paste the hostname there. Once that's done, simply double click the server to head into it. Now that I've loaded up, you can see that I'm on the server with the April Fool's update. You can mess around with everything, like the new craft mine features, and you can also head down the memory lane. I honestly thought this was the coolest April Fool's update Minecraft has made so far. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!